When was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? Monday, 9th Rabi al-Awwal, April 22nd, 571 AD. Where was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? Correct answer. B. Makkah.
What was the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam father? Correct answer. B. Abdullah. What was the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother?
Correct answer. A. Amina bint Wahab. Who was the foster mother of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Correct answer. C. Halima Sadiya. Who was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandfather? Correct answer. B. Abdul Muttalib.